This is my drawing of Cat Noir from Miraculous, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to start on the top left. We're going to bend this in and then down towards the inside. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Coming down. Now I want to continue to the top of the eyelid, going up and across towards the outside. Now let's tuck the bottom of the eye in underneath. So we're going to step in, curve this down, go across, and then up underneath. Now we want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the top left, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around towards the bottom, and then up on the inside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And I'll add those cat pupils in the center. Starting from the very top, we're just going to bend the left side coming around toward the bottom. Pull that up on the right. And I'll fill the pupil in black. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with the inside coming down, around the outside, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's add a small fold underneath each eye with a curve going out. Move to the center, step down and draw on the nose. We're going to start with the center, come down and up, bend the nostrils going out toward the side, and we'll curve the edge of the nose going up and then in. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. Go back to the center, step down and add a small curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to angle the side of the head coming in. From the top corner of the eye on the left, step out, curve this down, and then in towards the jaw. Do the exact same thing on the right, coming in toward the same height. Let's round up the jaw, pull this down and in towards the middle. Now it's going to round out the chin. From the left, curve across, and up. Now I want to draw the bottom edge of the mask. I'm going to start in the center of the nose with a point. Bend this up and then out toward the left and right. Let's bend the bottom of the mask, coming down and then up toward the side of the head. Now with the face complete, let's move up and draw the hair coming down across the forehead. From the left side of the head, we're going to step out, curve this across, and then bend that up. Step down, add a curve coming down and across toward the left eye. Bend this all the way around, up, and then in. Let's go over towards the side, bend this down and out past the right side of the head, bend this in and up, and in towards the inside. Let's go back to the left, bend this up, and then in. Now I want to continue this curve going up toward the top of the head. Now we're going to work on the left side, going up, and then bend that down toward the side to right about there. Come in and up in behind. Let's do the same thing on the right. From here, going all the way around, come down the side. Now I'm just going to bend this out, tuck that in toward the side of the head. Let's add two sections of hair along the side. From here, coming down and out, tuck that back in. And then we'll add another point along the side, coming down and out, and then back in. We're going to add a curl going around the side of the head, coming down and then in towards the jaw, and then up underneath. And then along the side, add another point. Let's add a few more underneath the jaw, starting back on the left, coming down and in, then up. And we'll add one more on the outside. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Let's add some more strands. Down out toward the side. We're going to go a little bit longer. And then add one more on the back. Now I want to place those large pointed ears along the top of the head. Let's start over on the left side. Bend this up and out toward the tip. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now it's going to round up the tip of the ear, coming down and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Now with the hair in place, let's draw the top edge of the mask. We're going to start in between, come in and then down, go to the right, go up and then out. And now I'm going to switch to my thin black marker and add some texture inside the hair. Let's start with the left side. Just going to work my way along that seam, just brushing this out, working with the flow of the hair. Come back down, and it's down and out. Now from the tips, we want to work our way up and then in. You can vary the length with some of these lines. Let's go work our way across the center. And then from the bottom, work our way up. And now we're just going to continue that along each section of hair. Again, just working with the flow. Let's go to the outside. Just going to work our way in and also work our way out from the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right side. I'm also going to add those two small circles along the inside base of the ears. Now with the face complete, let's move down and draw the side of the neck. We'll start over on the left side, come straight down, and bend that out across the bottom. Let's layer the shoulders in behind. We're going to step up, put this down, and then out towards the side. Round out the shoulders, and bring that down towards the bottom of our page. Let's go back to the center of the neck. We're going to draw a large circle, go all the way around, and then up. Let's add a seam across the center with a curve. And I want to draw the edge of the collar coming back in. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cat Noir for Miraculous. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.